We'll guide you through how to make keyframes smooth in Adobe Animate. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Animate on your computer. Click the File menu located at the top left corner to access the available project options inside Adobe Animate. From the drop-down menu, select New so you can create a new project file for your animation or design work. After that, choose the document preset you want to use, for example similar to the video, so the stage size and workspace settings match your project requirements. Then click Create to open the workspace and begin editing inside Adobe Animate. Before creating the animation, make sure you already have an object on the stage, for example using a circle for a simple movement animation demonstration. Right-click on the frame where you want to add a keyframe on the timeline. From the available menu options, select Insert Keyframe to create a new keyframe for the selected object. Move the object according to your needs to create animation movement between the frames. If needed, repeat the same steps to create additional keyframes on different frame positions throughout the timeline. Select all frames while holding the Shift key so multiple frames can be selected simultaneously on the timeline. Right-click on the selected frames and choose Create Classic Tween so Adobe Animate automatically creates smooth transitions between the keyframes you added earlier. Click on the first keyframe so you can begin adjusting the easing effect for the animation movement. Inside the tweening settings, click on the Effect option to open the available easing presets inside Adobe Animate. Choose the effect according to your needs, for example Ease Out, then double-click on Quad to apply the effect to the selected animation. Now you have successfully added an easing effect to your keyframe animation inside Adobe Animate. If needed, repeat the same steps to add effects to the other keyframes so the entire animation appears smoother and more professional during playback. Preview the final result to review how the easing effects influence the movement and improve the overall animation quality inside your Adobe Animate project.